Today I am reviewing the VIVOSUN Smart Grow Tent Kit 4x4. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent hours researching light spectrums, calculating cubic feet per minute for ventilation, or trying to find components that actually play nice together, you know that setting up an indoor grow space is usually a logistical nightmare. I have been running the VIVOSUN Smart Grow Tent Kit in my spare room for the last few weeks, and I wanted to see if this all-in-one approach actually works for a serious grower, or if it is just a collection of entry-level parts that you will end up replacing in 6 months. If you're curious about the current pricing or want to check out the specific specs for yourself, I have included links below the video that you can look at whenever you have a second. Let's talk about the setup first, because that is where most people get discouraged. When you buy this kit, you are getting the tent, the 400-watt LumaLight, the AeroZesh fan, and the GrowHub controller all in one box. The assembly process is straightforward, but it is not a 10-minute job. The tent itself feels sturdy enough, with decent zippers that don't feel like they're going to snag immediately. The real value here is that you aren't guessing about compatibility. Everything is designed to plug directly into the GrowHub E42A Plus controller. That integration is the primary reason you would buy this kit instead of piecemealing your own setup together. The GrowHub is the brain of the operation, and it is genuinely impressive for a kit at this price point. It manages the light and the ventilation based on the sensor data it pulls from inside the tent. I found that being able to adjust the light intensity or the fan speed from my phone while I was sitting on the couch was a luxury I didn't know I needed. It makes the micro adjustments for temperature and humidity significantly easier. If you are a beginner, this automation is a lifesaver because it prevents those common rookie mistakes, like forgetting to vent the tent during a heat spike or leaving the lights on too long. However, let's talk about the performance. The 400-watt LumaLight is solid. It provides a full spectrum that covers the basic needs from seedling to harvest. In my testing, the light distribution was surprisingly even across the 4x4 footprint. You aren't going to get the same intensity or penetration that you would from a high-end commercial bar light, but for a home setup, it is more than capable of producing dense, healthy plants. If you are looking to maximize every single gram of yield, you might eventually want to upgrade the light, but for the vast majority of hobbyists, this is more than enough to get professional-looking results. The AeroZesh fan is another highlight. It is an EC motor fan, which means it is quiet and energy efficient. I was worried that the ventilation would be too loud for a living space, but at lower speeds, it is barely a hum. Even when it ramps up to handle higher humidity levels, it isn't intrusive. The carbon filter included in the kit does a good job of scrubbing the air, provided you keep the environment sealed properly. If you are worried about smell or air quality, this setup handles it effectively. Now, I have to be honest about the limitations. While this is a complete kit, you still need to provide your own growing medium, nutrients, and seeds. It is a system, not a magic box. You still have to do the work of monitoring your plants, checking for pests, and managing your feeding schedule. The app is great for data, but it won't water your plants for you. Also, the tent is a standard 4x4 size. If you have a very specific or cramped space, you should measure your footprint twice before ordering, because it is a significant piece of furniture once it is fully assembled. Who is this for? This is perfect for someone who wants to start growing immediately without spending 3 weeks reading forums to figure out which light works with which controller. It is also great for someone who appreciates data and wants to keep a digital log of their environment. If you like the idea of having a single app control your entire ecosystem, you will love the convenience here. You can find the kit at the links below the video if you want to see if it fits your current budget. Who should avoid this? If you are a seasoned pro who already has a preferred brand of light or a specific way of automating your environment, you will probably find this kit a bit restrictive. It is a closed system, so you are largely tied into the VIVOSUN ecosystem. If you're the type of person who loves to tinker with custom DIY electronics or build your own high-end setups from scratch, you might find the plug-and-play nature of this kit a bit limiting. Also, if you are strictly on a tight budget and don't mind the headache of buying individual parts on the secondary market, you could technically save a little money, but you will lose the ease of integration. The biggest disappointment for some will be the realization that this is still a learning curve. Even with the best equipment, you can still have a bad harvest if you don't pay attention to your plants. This kit makes the environment easy to manage, but it does not replace the skill of the grower. Overall, I think this is a high-value package for what it offers. The build quality is consistent across the board, the app integration is stable, and it takes the guesswork out of building a grow space. It is a rare example of a kit that doesn't feel like it cut corners on the most important parts. If you are ready to get started and want a reliable, smart system that works right out of the gate, this is a very strong contender. Check the links below the video to see the current pricing and decide if it is the right move for your space.